Hey guys, Justin back again here with Stitch. Going to be doing another install video. Today we're going to be installing the smoked tunnel taillights from AMOffRoad. When you get your box, this is what it's going to look like. And I have both taillights and all your hardware. And this is all you're going to need. You're going to need a flathead to get these little covers off to get to the bolt. That's what gets the actual tail light off. And then to get the bolt out, you're either going to need a T30 star bit, or you can use a 10mm socket on a ratchet. Let's get it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is that little plastic cover right here. Get you a flathead. I'm just going to pop it right out. There's a bolt in there, and that's what you can use that 10mm socket or this T30 star bit. Get in there, undo that. And that's what's going to come out. That's what actually holds your brake light on. That's it. And then this is just going to fall right out. And now at this point, now it's just a plug and play. That little red switch, pull it back. Push that black piece in. And then you're actually going to take this bracket, because that's where your bolts in. And you've got to transfer it over to your new brake light. And once you get that transferred over, you're going to need your T30 bit again, because now it's just put it in reverse. Plug it up. Goes in like so. You got two little ends here. They're going to go right in them grooves. It lines up like so. Pops in there. And you're just going to put that screw in there.